effectively using the SoftTouch catalogue. This is the latest SoftTouch catalogue. It is updated with all the latest EN standards. In the PDF version, the contents page references are clickable. In the beginning, we have a quick guide to find all the new products. There is an icon legend guide which can be useful when viewing the gloves. You can download the product datasheet for every glove model. To learn more about the gloves, we have an extensive but comprehensible guide to the EN standards related to our gloves. We also have a quick guide over different materials with the advantages they bring. For chemical protection, we have a reference chart indicating chemical resistance for different materials. The indexes at the end are also clickable to quickly navigate to the right glove model. To download the catalogue, simply log on to www.softtouch.se and navigate to the media link. The catalogue is easy to share. Just copy our link and send via email or messaging service of your choice.